Dear students, I am Pratik sir, mathematics teacher of class 9, Mount Litrazi School, Jhansi. In this lecture, I am explaining you how to construct angles of 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree and 120 degree. First of all, an angle of 30 degrees. Draw a line segment of any length. Draw a line segment of any length, then take any radius in your compass. Taking a suitable radius of any length in your compass, keep the end point of compass at the starting point of the line and rotate an arc. After that, put your compass at the starting point of the arc, cut another arc taking the same radius on the previous arc. This point, when we will join from the starting point of this line, we will get 60 degree. But we are making 30 degree, so keeping the arc, this compass at the same starting point of the arc, cutting one more arc and keeping the compass at the first arc point and cutting one arc over the previous arc, we will join this line from the intersecting points. This we will get 30 degree. Now we will make 60 degree, taking and making a line segment of any length, taking any suitable radius in the compass, cutting an arc and taking the same radius, cutting an arc on the previous arc. When we will join this intersecting point from the starting point of the line, this we will get 60 degree. Now 90 degree angle, a line segment of any length, taking any radius in the compass, we will cut an arc, one more arc on the previous big arc, one more arc, then an arc like this and one arc. When we will join this intersecting point from the starting point of the line, we will get this angle exactly 90 degree. Similarly, we will make 90 degree and we will do the bisector of 90 degree. We will get 45 degree. See, just like this we will make 90 degree. We will join to make 90 degree. But we will bisect this angle. To bisect this angle, we will open this compass a little bit more. We will keep it at the starting point. We will cut an arc, and from this point, see very clearly, from this point we will cut one more arc on the previous arc and we will join this intersection point from the initial point. This is the bisector of 90 degree. It means this particular angle will be 45 degree. Now an angle of 120 degree. Draw a line of any length. Cut a big arc like this. Taking the same radius, cut one arc. This will be 60 degree. But from this point of 60 degree, cut one more arc. This will be 60 plus 60, 120 degree. Join this intersection point from the starting point. This internal angle will be exactly 120 degree. Thank you.